Locked out of your Windows PC with that annoying "something happened and your PIN isn't available" error? Don't worry, I'll walk you step by step through how to fix the PIN isn't available issue on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. Boot into safe mode, restart your computer, and enter the Windows recovery environment. From there, click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, hit Restart, and when the options appear, press 4 to boot into safe mode. This lets us bypass the broken PIN temporarily. Step 2. Remove the PIN in safe mode. Now press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to Accounts, Sign-in Options. Under the PIN section, click Remove and Confirm. This clears the corrupted PIN data that caused the error. Step 3. Set up a new PIN. Restart your PC normally. Once back on your desktop, open Settings again. Head to Accounts, Sign-in Options, and click Add PIN. Follow the prompts to create a new PIN. Test the fix. Press Windows key plus L to lock your screen, then sign in with your brand new PIN. Everything should be working perfectly now. And that's it. You've fixed the PIN error in just a few minutes. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.